In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable contacts on TikTok. So for me to show you, I'm just going to go ahead and just tap on this home button right here. And if you're going to head over here to friends, you should be able to see here suggested friends. Now, it is important to note that you are also being suggested to these people if they are seeing them. So for us to disable this one, what we're going to do is head over to our profile, and then we're going to tap on this three vertical dots here, or three vertical lines, open the settings and privacy, and then we're gonna head over to privacy. So from here, what's gonna happen is that you should be able to see here suggest your account to others. Go ahead and click that over there, and then you're just going to turn these off. So you have the contacts here, the primary one, and then we're going to go ahead and turn off the others as well. So if you're going to see the first one, it says suggest your account to your contacts. In this case, again, if you are enabling this, then that means the other friends of yours are seeing you in their friends list. So yeah, that everybody is how you are going to disable contacts on TikTok.